Hi everyone. In our previous videos, I demonstrated how to construct and paint the 3 and 6 point color wheel. In today's video, I will demonstrate how to construct and paint the 12 point color wheel. In constructing the 12 point color wheel, these are the items you need for the construction. Before I do, we need to take note of the radius. And in this video, I'll be using 9 centimeters as the radius for the circle. Once you are done drawing the circle, you take the center and draw a line from the center to any part of the circumference of the circle. We will have to divide the circle into 12 equal parts because we are constructing the 12 wheel. So we will have 360 divided by 12. And the reason why I have 360 is the whole of the circle is 360 degrees. So when we divide it by 12, we have 30 degrees. Now, in doing this, you will need a protractor to mark the angles. So you place the protractor at the center of the circle. We start with the marking of the 30 degrees. So I have 30, 60, 90, 120, 150, and 180. After marking the angles, you draw a line from the center through the mark point to the circumference of the circle. I'm done with one half of the circle. So I'll continue with the other half of the circle by marking 30 degrees. So I have 30, 60, 90, 120, and 150. We connect the point by drawing a line from the center through the point to the circumference. We are done with the divisions, and we have 12 divisions. Once you are done with this, we need to place the colors in the wheel. And in doing so, because it's a 12-point color wheel, we will have the primary colors, we will have secondary, and we will have the tertiary colors. We begin with the primary colors. Now, in doing so, you place any of the primary color in any of the divisions. So I'm starting with red. Now you count 1, 2, 3. The fourth space, you place the next primary color. Blue. I count another 3 spaces. The fourth space, I'll place in the last primary color. Now I realize that in between the primary colors, we have 3 spaces. So the secondary colors will take the middle part. So red and blue will give us violet. Yellow and blue, green. Red and yellow will give us orange. Now we move on to the tertiary colors. Red, violet will give us red, violet, blue, violet, blue, violet, blue, green. You have blue, green right there. Yellow and green will give us yellow, green, yellow, orange right here. Then we have red, orange, red, orange. So this is how you place the colors.